Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today I'm preparing Tandoori Chicken Tangri, a hot favorite starter that can be easily prepared on a grill pan using homemade masalas. For the details of the ingredients, please check the description section. To begin with, I'll be making some deep cuts on the chicken leg pieces so that the masalas are well absorbed. For the Tandoori Masala, I'll be taking red chilli powder, coriander seed powder, turmeric powder, white pepper powder, and the freshly ground homemade Garam Masala powder, salt as per taste, Kasuri methi, and to get the bright red color, which is the trademark of the tandoori chicken, I'll be adding few pinches of red food color. Blend all the masalas. Place the chicken leg pieces in a mixing bowl. Add the blended masala powder. Then in goes ginger and garlic paste. Then yogurt, I will rub all this on the chicken pieces thoroughly and drizzle a little amount of cooking oil and add half a lemon which is freshly squeezed. Cover it and put it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours for marination. And before grilling, I'll place it for half an hour outside the refrigerator. Then I'll heat up a grilling pan, add a little amount of cooking oil and place the chicken leg pieces and grill it on a low flame for 7 to 8 minutes. Then I'll flip it and grill it on the other side for again 7 to 8 minutes. And the chicken tangris are ready for serving. Today I'll be serving it along with tangy mint chutney. Please click the like button for this recipe, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.